Alright, next up. Oh, this fox. Alright. I have a few items in here as well. So, it's 1 and 2. Which one should we put first? Alright, here we go, guys. This is the Henri Bendel sunglass case in Point Sienna. And the back flap is one piece. The back to the front is one piece of leather, and then the inside is black. So this particular bouquet collection used contrasting colors of the blue, the Point Sienna, which is this red-orange, and black and white. So a lot of the pieces from their collection, I only have a few, and they also use beige in some of the collection too. Use those contrasting colors, you'll see them throughout the collection. Here's the stuffing in the care card. Here's the tag. There's so much light, it's like fleshing it out. But it says West 57 sunglasses case. On some of the tags they say medium red, but this color is Point Sienna. And then there's been some folding here. I guess it just wasn't made, but it's like a beautiful micro suede, and there's a magnetic strip from the whole width of the glasses case, and maybe about an inch tall, that goes with the magnetic strip down here. So it closes, boom, you hear that? And so also Henri Bendel has their logo monogram gold foil here, and they have their gold foil of their brand here. And then that's the inside of the case. It's so fully lined in this micro suede. So here's our next piece. This is the Henri Bendel West 57th phone wristlet. It's got this beautiful leather strap, also in Sophiana leather. It says Henri Bendel here on the rivets, and it's also detachable. So here's the front of the bag, the Henri Bendel insignia, and their gold and silver tone. It's absolutely gorgeous color. And the back has this beautiful pocket here. Plain on the front flap, on the inside the interior, and when you open it down again, here you have this beautiful pocket that fits iPhone 6, 7, and 8. I have the 7, it fits perfectly. JAQ, my monogram is Jax, right above the Henri Bendel branding in gold foil. When you open the leather pull tab, it has a snap closure to put your cell phone in and secure it safely, so if your wristlet drops, boom, your phone will not fall out. It's protected. The inside is leather on the back and black sateen lining, so you can slip your phone in and out with ease. And on this side, you have 1, 2, 3, 4 card slots, and one of them is also an ID window. And this little card here is actually a phony Henri Bendel A-list card. So cute. Okay, and so behind the card slots is a pocket that is lined in the Henri Bendel brown and white stripes. So that's one pocket lined in black satin, and the tag fell out. Right, so this says medium red, which we know is the Sophiana color, West 57th phone wristlet wallet. And then behind that slip pocket is a zipper pocket, so you can put coins or anything that you don't want to slip out. And inside here is my Henri Bendel branding story. I'll put my tag back in there with it. Zip that up, and it's nice and fluid as all Henri Bendel zippers are, and it has a beautiful leather pull tab. And behind the zipper pocket is yet another pocket lined in black satin. It's absolutely beautiful. There's nothing that you shouldn't love about this wallet. And since we have the phone case out, the reason why it had gotten destroyed was because I was just throwing it into my bags and I didn't protect it in any in any kind of fashion. So the wear on the print that's on top of the Saffiano leather case showed up really quickly. Had I been using my wallet as I should have been, this wouldn't have happened, especially so quickly. It would have taken longer for it to show wear. But I'll show you. Since this is raised, it's three-dimensional. You see that? It's gorgeous. The bouquet flowers here. And see in the Saffiano colors, the blue, the white, the black. It's stunning. Henri Bendel on the bottom. I can show you. Since it's raised, it's a tighter fit. Had this not been on here, it would go in more. There would be more room to fill up the wallet with even more things. But with it being raised, you just slip it. Oops, sorry. Just slip it right in. Again, with usage, since I have not used this, with usage, this leather would become a little bit more pliable. It's just extremely stiff because I have never used this wallet. And then you have the phone case in there. You close the wallet. It's gorgeous. Slip it on your wrist. Go about your way about the town. Right? Gorgeous. I absolutely love it. It's a really great piece. So let's move on to the next one. I'm going to take this out so I can add it to my staging here. So we've got the wallet. We've got the phone case. We've got the gorgeous Twilly. And we've got, of course, the star of the collection, my Poinciana grommet jet setting backpack. Convertible backpack. Yeah, so Henri Bendel really is a girl's playground. I absolutely love that store. I just go ecstatic. I just love their items. Their pieces are so wonderful. They're so fun. They're so fresh. They're young. They're vibrant. Just I think it really tells a lot about my character because I feel that I embody those same characteristics. So here's my last piece for my Henri Bendel birthday mega haul, and it also goes with this Poinciana, with this bouquet collection from Henri Bendel 2017. Let's take it out. That's so cute. I love the polka dots against the stripes. Oh, packaging is amazing. Thanks, Bendel. I wonder what it is. Ready, set, go. I love this piece. Actually, this is the first piece I bought when I went in to get this collection. I went over I think 2 or 3 days, and I finally collected all the pieces that I wanted. I had to think about it because there's so much that came out with the bouquet collection. So many different pieces. I mean, it is stunning. You guys just look it up on, just Google Henri Bendel Bouquet Collection. It's from 2017 springtime. Holy shit. Wow, this is gorgeous. Oh, I love it. Look at that flower. Also three-dimensional. See the height on there? Stunning. The leather. And it's all in Saffiano leather. I got my initials monogrammed on the back, Jax. That beautiful, iconic Henri Bendel brown and white stripe. Fluid zipper pull as usual. Fluid zipper, and then the zipper pull is in metal and it says Henri Bendel on it. And then this chunky clasp. I love it. And on one side it says Henri Bendel, 712 Fifth Avenue, New York. And then the other side of it just says Henri Bendel, New York. Absolutely gorgeous. On the inside, it's a coin purse. You can put anything you want. Coins, money, bobby pins, hair ties, anything. It's lined in a beautiful cotton blend and blue in the brown and white iconic stripe. Oh, talk about the cutest little piece ever. Guys, come on, man. So let's go attach this to the bag. I may or may not wear it that way. So here you guys are. This is my full Henri Bendel pieces that I've gotten from their bouquet collection for my birthday in 2017. Absolutely love it. Can't wait to rock this, guys. Stunning. Ooh, I'm gonna use this bag everywhere. And I actually, after I purchased this for my birthday, I showed it to one of my good friends, Martha. And Mosh was telling me, she's like, oh my god, I love that so much, take me to the store. So I brought her there, now she's obsessed with Bendel. It's so awesome. She bought the next collection that had come out during like the late spring, summertime, had this beautiful pink. And so she bought this in the pink with the gold hardware. And she actually went to Iceland last month at the end of February, and she said that she was like in a monsoon, and Mosh said that everything was soaked. Her what is that, Canada Goose coat was soaked through, and those are supposed to be super hardcore. Everything was soaked through, but she said her Henri Bendel Jet Set backpack, her Jet Setter backpack did not get her passport, anything wet in it. She said that it was the only thing that survived during like this crazy monsoon, windy rainstorm that she was in Iceland. So, yes! Henri Bendel, guys, the bomb. I love them so much. Absolute great quality. I mean, honestly, my homegirl was in a monsoon in Iceland and nothing that was in her her Henri Bendel Jet Setter backpack got wet. Where does that happen? In what world is like any designer bag or non-designer bag that's made for fashion, not like camping or like for the wilderness or hiking or anything like that, but like a beautiful fashionable bag not be super soaked in a monsoon or get ruined or ruin anything that's inside? No. Henri Bendel Jet Setter backpack was the bomb. And saved my friend's passport and all her like personal belongings that she had inside this bag in Iceland during a monsoon. I'm just saying, I know I keep repeating it, and then I'm so in shock because you would have never guessed, and that's just to show you how great the quality is at Bendel's. So alright guys, this is Jess. I'm signing out. See you in my next video. Hope you guys subscribe. And I just, just come hang out with me. I'm going to start making some vlogs for shopping. I live in New York City, so maybe I'll take you guys out to Fifth Avenue, Soho, maybe even clubbing. I don't know, anything fun. So I'm just going to sign out now. Bye, guys. Thanks so much for hanging out, and I'll see you next time.